touch again. Touch again.
Check give up for you.
Really?
So once this hits you on your knees, that's the problem.
Real hurts.
It's not.
You gotta take a picture?
Yeah.
So you have to go. You, yeah. Oh, you got. Oh my goodness, they got it. Wow. Wow, guys, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
And fun.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Oh, you guys are too good. Oh, the other one must be a dominant one or something. Oh, he's a lot bigger, that's why. Whoa! Oh, man. Oh, that was a good one there.
You still got a lot of fight in him?
Yeah, this is a big one.
This is a big one.
Not like the ones that we saw yesterday. We were taking it Still strong?
Bring him again.
Arowana.
Yes.
We're gonna drop it here.
Up again. Up and just reel. Back again. Okay.
Yeah, you pull up a reel,
Reel.
Yeah.
pull up a reel. That's what you're gonna do. Still one.
Yeah, maybe we go here.
Touch it, touch it. Knock it.
God, it's like a wrangling a bull.
Yeah, that's what we gotta do. Just touch it and then you go. Come back, touch
What's
it.
the
Tired.
stick do?
That's just to get him tired.
Tired.
Otherwise, so that we won't handle it.
Yeah.
It's too strong. Touch it. You see? Still strong. You won't want to hold that. And this guy, it actually broke my my brother's knee. You know, like slip it off. Yeah, they're very painful.
Bring it in.
Reeling. Come on, sir. What happened there? You don't forget. Let's go. One more.
Hold it still, no?
Later on. You go and come back a couple more times and it's solid. This fish dirty.
Yeah. Come on, boy. Don't be scared. What do you think? Hi, man. I remember your head, right? In the seat you got the head. There you are. This is more. What funny? What funny two fin and hard side. You put it in two sides. Man, go. Two sides in them. What good, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Mm.
Okay.
You want to see your size? You see the size?
You want to see the size?
Yeah.
Alright.
Jesus.
You must be hooked good, huh?
What you jump here, Derek. You turn around again. Go kick.
I just get. You ready? Big one.
This is a big one.
It's a big one, yeah.
I would say it's a big one.
That'll stop it.
Take a rest. Oh my gosh. Getting this in the water with this beauty?
Yep.
Okay.
Waist deep.
Oh shit.
Oh, gone.
Gone?
It's on your.
Here, let me get it. Yeah. Oh, geez, be careful. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, great. Good. Oh, hook came off.
Hooks off?
Yep. There's another hook in it. So. Alrighty.
Put your fish here again. Oh, it was coming on bigger and bigger.
Yeah. And deeper and deeper.
Alrighty. Good deal. How many is this, Tim?
8.
8. This is number 8 for Tim.
Spray there.
Wow, that was fast. It came out. One hook? Yeah, that was good. Just like that. Oh, that's good. It's easy.
Almost lost my shoe.
Okay. Yeah, that's. Put your hand. Put your hand on. Yeah. Yeah. Hand lift it up.
Okay, Tim. Here we go. Correct. Through the hook. Oh well, that's okay. We try it again.
Yeah, he doesn't want to come in.
Ooh, careful.
I think this is a big one. It's been keep your line tight, please. Yeah, come on. Chew it in.
Well, he really ate that one.
Did he?
It's way in there. Ate the whole thing.
Oh, that's not good.
How the heck you get something like that out? Oh my.
Whenever I tell you, just hook one and then press and hook the thing out.
You may keep pulling. No?
It's cómodo.
Yeah, you really can't tell, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, got it. Oh my goodness, you got it out.
Go with your tail.
Yeah, he got the tail.
You got your tail?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, well here, there's the other one here.
Pull the boat one. Start to the shallow. Yeah, he could.
Oh, I'm just sinking in. The hole.
Oh, it's a big hole there?
Yeah, I just basically just stepped
Sank in there. Okay.
Pull it like you did before.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, fish is right there.
Release your line. Okay. Yep. Keep it rod tight.
You keep it tight?
Yep.
Okay.
You got it.
You want me to get out?
Not yet.
Yeah?
No,
I'll
not
put
yet.
my rod down. Let's see here.
Got it.
Watch you get hooked.
That's your fish here.
I'm supposed to get in the water here? Oh my gosh.
Careful. put your hand under his gill and.
This gill.
All right.
No, don't have it.
Okay. You okay?
Got it.
All right.
Oh shit. Oh, yeah, out of the gill. Like I said, be careful going on the road. Whoa, be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Oh, I don't even want to watch.
Should we hop in now?
Shit. Okay.
Oh, you gotta put the motor on still.
Okay, good. Okay, good. You're good. I got video here too. Okay, it's good.
You down?
How big is he?
About 6 feet. Actually,
Yeah, 6.5. 6.5 feet. Yep.
6.5 feet?
Yep.
Whoa.
Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. That's as great as it gets right there.
Then
You had to come out and check. Oh my God. Wow, funny.
big.
Yeah, they're big. Boy, they're sure curious.
more dense than
Man down.
There we go. Okay, good.
Hindi lang yung tapo, ano? Hindi ka, ano? I thought the end of it, Jerry.
Good. This is much better right here. It was much better. Okay. Good.
That's why your butt's sore.
That's right. Okay.
You tied Sid for yesterday.
What?
You tied Sid for yesterday. He went way down. He went. You gonna pull the boats over this?
Yeah, we're pulling more to him.
Right here.
Yeah, to here for him.
Okay.
Where's the machete? Huh? You need a damn chainsaw.
It's called a cutlass.
Take it down there.
Oh,
Look at the bunch. Look at the bunch.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good. Thank you. Good.
Ready? Okay. Water duck pond. Water duck pond.
Water dog. Yeah, this one right
The same giant otter.
Oh.
Yeah, the otter.
A lot of otters.
Yeah, others local.
Oh, going away. They keep lifting over here, huh? Uh-oh.
Pull it with your hand, pull it your hand. Pull it your hand with it.
Oh, shit. He's gonna come right on shore, man.
Loose. Good right there.
Holy crap. That's not good.
We're not watching nobody. Watching the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Look at that.
Good there.
So big.
he is big.
Big.
They're fast.
Yeah. Big.
There's a more big one than that.
Looking in water small.
How many feet is that? Oh, my gosh. Over,
12, 15 feet.
I was gonna say it's over 10 feet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have nightmares about this now. I'm gonna have nightmares that came and chased me. Holy crap.
Here, let him back a little bit. See if he'll come up.
You hear? You want it to go back a little bit so he will see you come up.
It doesn't matter.
The hook is in his mouth, so it's like if he eats it, it's gonna eat the hook. too, so. Oh my.
Taga de hook. Ang pagkan lang.
For real?
Come here.
Yeah.
You could come. You could reverse and then put back in water and then you'll come back.
Go and take that now. Near.
Holy shit.
Really big.
That's too crazy.
Make sure there's nothing coming up behind us.
No, he's looking at the fish.
Too scary.
No, I mean back another one.
Oh,
That's not looking.
yeah.
Oh shit. Look at how big he is. Holy shit. I'd get out of the way, guys. That some bitch is gonna come on land here in a second.
What is size of the caiman and the tail?
You gonna let it eat it?
No.
Pull.
Big it is.
Yeah.
Come.
Have got it right there. Put it out. First I see caiman.
That, oh my god. I only see it in the zoo like that.
Okay.
You know? I don't see it in person like this. Holy shit. I see little ones like this.
Okay, little one.
Little. Nothing like this. This thing is a freaking monster. I can't get over how big it is.
The head is very hard.
Oh, I bet. Oh,
You see that this little black thing?
Mhm.
Just near close to the eye.
right.
That's the ear.
Oh, is that where the ear?
Yeah, this is-
Really?
yeah.
It's by his eye.
Yeah.
Pour les fiches dans les têtes ici, comme moi.
That
Okay.
down with Arumbu. You raise it, the little black one.
Mhm.
Straight to the
Is it the brain right there?
this head.
Goodbye to that peacock. Now go away. Oh my gosh.
Wherever you go, you steer.
Steer. Oh,
Yeah.
but still, it's like, oh my gosh.
When you hide it, you still have to stay.
It's crazy.
That is a second cast.
Gotta bring to the close to the boat. Keep out. Nice one. Keep it with your rod. Run to the close to the boat. You can drop your rod. Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. So you can make you very, you want make you very, and then you put it out.
Which way we gonna go? No place to land it. All right.
Right behind us. No, right behind us. Or right behind you. I think they were just giving it time to wear out a little bit.
Trying to find a place to land it.
No, they have a place.
Okay.
They were just hanging out, waiting for the fish to tire down, I think.
Whoa. Oh, it's going under the boat here.
Still strong. What about you there? Release you. Be careful your rod. Be careful your rod. Be careful your rod.
Good. We're good. Don't get near that tree over there. Oh, let's go to the
We're stuck. We're stuck.
It's not.
Boss, push the boat. Push the boat.
There it goes. It's off.
Yeah.
It's off. It's off. think it's free.
I hope he gets it. Gary needs a big one.
I'm sure that he's a good one in his life. Second guess. He must be proud.
Yeah. Bring your easy over there.
Okay. Alright. Where's my leg? Oh, there's my foot. Now my leg is stuck. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Where should I go? Right here?
Come here, yeah.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, crap. I didn't. Oh, I can't even see it. Oh, my God. Oh, I can't hold this. Thing is
Go right there.
It's huge. Oh, got it. Oh my gosh.
Right, you go hold it. Yeah, that's a fish.
Okay, can you get in here too? On this side, Paul. Get in here. You gotta do too. Okay.
Push the head on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Got it. Holy mackerel. Oh, I'm gonna fall. It's
Okay, smile.
Oh, okay. Are we done?
That's it. One more.
One more. Oh, okay. Ready? One,
Let's
two, three.
go.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that was great. Thank you.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that was a big one. Oh. Maybe 25 pounds. Oh, that's a good one.
2 feet.
That was 2 feet. Oh, thank you so very much. That was incredible.
Is this length?
Incredible.
We didn't. I was trying to get you to measure it.
I think it's up to here. Yeah. Because then he only had the guy holding on here.
It's about the same as mine.
Actually, one rod.
Yeah. One rod.
Okay.
Holding here. Gary let you catch caiman.
Can you hand me up the bait, Gary? And I'm gonna have the young man rig it up.
Sure. Where's your...
I'm here, but the bait's back there.
Oh, okay. It's almost done. Oh my gosh, you got your hand all the way down that thing's throat. Jesus. Really small. Oh, you got... Oh, thank you very much. Great. You got it out. Great. Thank you.
Yeah. When those like that, they probably go off of everything's set.
Yeah, that's it. That's our tricks. You hold it like that's it. That's our tricks.
Now,
He loves to play.
do they climb trees? Yeah, she likes to climb.
Right up his leg.
He the eyes out there.
No, just sit on my foot.
Yeah, you wanna go see the piggery? Okay. Let's go.
You got a whole Noah's Ark here.
Noah Ark Island.
Arbitrary Zoo.
Garnet Zoo.
Play with her a little more.
Time to play with you.
I'm gonna hit everybody today.
Daddy said he saw him clip that tree once coming in.
Really? Just the landing gear.
Yeah.
back up to the river. Hey.